Bear in mind that these chain reactions did not occur by blind chance, but only by the will of the Most High Anu. The stage after the creation of the first cell in the lab of Shimti, which was located on Lamu, Mars. This cell or cells were then placed inside of the Vulcan deity, the dolphin. It was these cells that were transplanted and transported into the seas of this planet. This transportation involved the development of the first animals 20 and 4 billion years ago. These were the single-cell organisms called protozoa. The simplest of this group is the amoeba, a small mass of transparent protoplasm which does not even have a definite shape nor a cell wall. The first single-cell animal to originate was the amoeba, which are found in water or moist soil and reproduce asexually. This means they reproduce alone and they don't need a partner. Fungus arose from this single-cell organism and played an important role in nature. They break down the bodies of dead organisms into chemical substances that can be used by other organisms. Fungi live as parasites and reproduce either sexually or asexually. The simplest particle of life is a quark of which atoms are composed. The atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains all of the element's properties. All things are made of atoms, which are composed of quarks. It is the smallest part of any substance. This is called quantum physics, my child. I said that mad weird. But anyways, it is too small to be seen, even with the most powerful electron microscope. Yet all that is in parts, and is part of existence. The average diameter of an atom is approximately 100 millionth of an inch. At the center of an atom is a smaller particle called a quark, the father of energy. There is the nucleus, a dense cluster of protons and neutrons on the outside of a quark. Together, the protons, which have a positive charge, and neutrons, which have no charge, are called nucleons. Outside, spinning around the nucleus in orbitals, are electrons, which have a negative charge that makes up what is called the shell of the atom. All atoms vary in an amount of protons and electrons and neutrons according to the elements to which they belong. In reality, no atom has a definite size in space and time. However, it gets its form from its surrounding electrons. Atoms are building blocks from which molecules are made, and a molecule is the smallest unit of a pure substance that can exist independently and exhibit all of the properties of the substances carbon, hydrogen,